Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick update video on a couple of the restorations I've done from the last video I showed you. This is Terry Funk that I finished. Repainted basically everything but his skin. Repainted his hair, repainted his beard. His eyebrows were completely gone. I had to repaint those. Redid his pants, his boots, and his tights. Everything is repainted and redone. All the marks are taken off. I think he turned out pretty good. Another good one to add to the collection. LJN Terry Funk.